This is the secret heart of the world's most famous drink.
It starts with water, purified to an incredible degree.
The syrup meets pure water in exact, secret proportions. Then, it's carbonated under high pressure. Everything is blended into the final, consistent liquid. The secret syrup is stored in secure, controlled tanks.
Every single new bottle is cleaned instantly.
Every empty bottle is inspected for flaws before filling. The filling line moves with breathtaking speed and precision.
Each bottle gets its famous red and white label. Capped and sealed in a fraction of a second. Lasers check every bottle for perfect fill, cap, and label. A complex network of conveyors moves everything with perfect timing. Robots pack them into crates for safe shipping. Each batch is coded for traceability and freshness. Crates are stacked into sturdy, stable pallets. Crates are stacked into sturdy, stable pallets. They're heated and blown into the iconic contour shape.
Meanwhile, bottles begin life as these small plastic preforms.
Bottles are grouped into multi-packs for stores. Wrapped in plastic to secure the load for transport. Pallets are loaded onto trucks for final distribution. The entire process is monitored from a central control room. The final product, ready for deliver across the globe. From secret recipe to global icon, made possible by automation.
If you enjoyed this factory tour, subscribe to Ultra Process Hub for more secrets of how things are made.